Pessoal, então nós tivemos a participação do NeurinLab aqui no Moving Boundaries. A gente fez uma apresentação em relação a como utilizar os biosensores, como traduzir isso para a arquitetura, e a MACHEN participou conosco ontem. Ela é uma artista, ela é dos Estados Unidos e ela está aqui também tentando trazer várias contribuições em relação a como neurociência aplicada à arquitetura pode envolver várias disciplinas. E a gente vai conversar um pouquinho com ela sobre como que foi essa experiência ontem. Lauren, first of all, thank you very much for considering this moment with us.
Thank you.
And thank you for your participation in our presentation yesterday. And we would like to know you as an artist and have a lot of thoughts, a lot of feelings, and you have a really unique perspective about the environment, the body inside the environment, how it could be connected. And yesterday we were talking about measure metrics and try to use neuroscience to better understand this kind of relation. In your perspective, in your point of view, how was that experience having this kind of presentation, and at the same time how could you translate it to this bridge between neuroscience and architecture?
Yeah, thank you so much for your presentation. I think that your presentation was the first of this program where we really felt grounded in a practice, and I could really see how it could be applied realistically and how you use it in your practice. For me, I do all sorts of installation art, and my interest is grounding people in their human bodies and giving a sense of feeling in the body, and through that we use like different senses, smell, sound, visuals, and what I really saw when you showed this, I was like, oh my goodness, I could do a study of my installation and have participants go through wearing these, and then we could analyze if it was effective and we could make adjustments on the installation. So I'm very excited about that possibility.
Oh, thank you. And here during the Moving Boundaries we are having a lot of perspectives from psychology, anthropology, of course architecture, and as an artist and having this presentation yesterday, so you could bring it together. Is it possible to visualize, oh, now we can translate it to something real?
Yeah, I think studying the brain waves is I think very important, and I think that for me, just as an artist and in my own practice, I know that I'm a more effective artist if I'm in my body and if I'm knowing what makes me feel good. Like that's what I will be able to translate to others, and it's not telling other people how to do it, it's inviting them and presenting a set of options and for them to choose from, because we're all different. But by using the biosensor, I think we'll better be able to see kind of if there is any overlap across several individuals, then that might be something that we want to zero into. So I think the whole entire program has been very informative for me, but also I came here, I actually studied psychology first.
Great.
So I went to school for psychology and then I went into the art field. So for me, when I was in school, I was always trying to merge art and science and psychology together. So the two for me have never really been separate, but you have provided I think the glue that people have been looking for is how to use it in their architectural practices, in their art practice. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And Laura, thank you very much for giving us this interview. And it's amazing to have a different kind of vision and perspectives and feelings, and you as artist and psychologist too, bringing it, it will be a huge contribution. Thank you very much for being with us yesterday, and thank you very much for this time here. Thank you. Pessoal, então vamos continuar acompanhando aqui que tem mais coisas acontecendo. Até breve.